My fascination with microorganisms started in a field trip in my Bachelor. I precisely studied environmental sciences. I decided to study that because of my love to nature and because I saw the consequences that anthropogenic activities were already having more than 15 years ago to the environment. So I decided to dedicate myself to try to fight back these anthropogenic effects. Microbes are everywhere, and so they have a lot of importance in driving the geochemical cycles of the different elements. I apply this microbial and sustainability aspect of my teaching following a sustainable approach, and that is based also on holistic and multidisciplinary aspects, because sustainability have a very important consequence in society, in economy, and in environment. And we also have to reflect this on the teaching so that our students have this holistic understanding of these societal and environmental complex problems. So I think our role should be mainly to make them think and to make them go a bit beyond the knowledge that they will find everywhere. I think the role of environmental scientists is to protect the environment from people and people from the environmental hazards. Nowadays, with the changes on regulation, most of the companies now need professionals that have the skills, the ability and the knowledge related with green jobs, so they can really work in a very ample amount of jobs. They could be consultants for environmental implementation of different policies. They could be environmental technologists to develop biotechnological solutions to the environmental problems that we face nowadays. They can also be related with governance and politics. I think we are very lucky with our students because they are highly motivated students and extremely critical already. And for this semester, we have chosen a very important aspect and challenge because of local urgency. They are going to open a mine here in Segovia. So we chose that for the students to try to assess all the environmental impacts that this mine will bring to the local activities. We follow an approach that differentiates us from another standard universities. We are more applied, more hands-on. We have different activities for companies to be involved in our studies. We have from the first course labs where companies give small challenges to students so that they can really help with real aspects of company life. We also try to really implement in our studies a lot of field trips because we believe that to really fix the theory, you need to go to the practical part. And we are also going to do a trip of 3 days to Tinto River because the challenge of this semester is mining activities, and Tinto River had mining before Roman times. So we are merging all the multidisciplinary aspects of mining in this trip for them to really understand from a holistic approach all the aspects.